Hi, I'm Dwayne. Welcome to Talk.Crypto. On this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your 3Commas account to be able to synchronize it with your trading platform. Say no more, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let me tell you what 3Commas is. 3Commas is a very powerful bot trading software for cryptocurrencies. Once you connect your exchange with 3Commas, you'll now be able to build and customize trading bots. Trading bots that will help you to grow your portfolios and also help to generate passive income. So let me show you how to sign up with 3Commas. First, you open your browser and go to 3Commas.io and click sign up. Enter the email, your password, confirm your password. The next page opens, will prompt you to connect to your exchange platform. 3Commas uses an API to connect your exchanges to their platform. So let me show you how. So 3Commas supports quite a few exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, FTX, and many more. So if you're using multiple exchanges, multiple trading platform, you could synchronize all your trading platform. As I mentioned before, in platforms, you could synchronize it in 3Commas and control all from 3Commas dashboard. For purposes of this video, I'm going to synchronize Binance Exchange with 3Commas. So on this page, we are going to need to retrieve some information, right? From our exchange account, which is Binance, right? In order to complete this form and connect the two platforms. Always recommended to use 2FA verification because there are a lot of malicious hackers out there that will take the advantage to try and hack into your exchange platform. We don't want that. we really don't want that to happen. It's recommended to use 2FA verification. So Binance will provide us information to help us to synchronize, to complete the synchronization with the two platforms. They will provide us with a API key and also a security key, right? So just below this right here is going to be the API restrictions. This is a really important area to pay attention to. You want to enable reading and enable spot and margin trading. I do not enable withdraw or transfer. Actually, I want 3Commas to execute the trading for me, right? But even though I want 3Commas to execute trading for me, I do not want them to initiate any withdrawal or transfer without my permission. I wouldn't want 3Commas to have that full access to withdraw or to transfer any transaction without my consent or my permission. So that's a bit risky, So I turn off these restrictions. I try not to enable it. So if you're trading with margin or vanilla option, you will need to turn on these options too. Binance allow you to set restrictions on IP access, which is good. So this is great if you're always using the same IP address. But for my purpose, I use unrestricted. Go ahead and copy the API key and secret key and paste it in the corresponding boxes, just like this. Then you click Connect Account to 3Commas. Great, so you now synchronize both platforms, your exchange platform and your bot trading platform. Now you can see your account update on the top right of the screen, right here. It's very convenient. If you click on 3Commas dashboard, you will see your portfolio as updated and you're ready to set up your first trading bot. Good. So, in later videos, the team at Talk.Crypto will show you how to set up smart bots. Bots such as DCA bots, grid bots. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave us a comment below. The best way to reach us is on our Discord channel, or you can join us via stereo every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, where we have an open discussion with our community discussing about cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching.